Good afternoon, people. We're back, man, to another OC episode. I was in Suva earlier because I had to attend the meeting and it took longer than I expected. But I'm back now, and we're gonna cook some freshwater mussels. We already showed a dish how you can cook it one type of way. This is another where we're gonna curry it.
Cook it first?
Yeah, we have to cook it first, as the cooker says. Okay. Let's see here. Freshwater mussels or kai. People, if you haven't seen how you dive for this, we made a vlog about it. I can leave the link in the video. But this is one of the things they do eat a lot here, or part of their cuisine in this part of Fiji. Firstly, we're gonna cook it outside, and then when it's boots, then we're gonna curry it. But I guess the curry part came when the Indo-Fijians came. Maybe they showed the Itoke people how to cook it, how to curry it.
The sponsor today is buy and cover today. If you want it, then email us. Agar tumlo mango nangona to why and cover email kana. Sampul bilang turang kira merama. Kini dia buliang kona na why and cover tusar tungango dogai kontak ngamui. Sampul bilang. I mean, more.
You can see here the fire is on. Look. Wait. Watch out. Set.
Set. Let it cook for a while. When the cell opens, then the thing is cook. Set for 20 minutes.
Okay.
Let it cook. When the cell opens, you want to peel out the what's called, take out the shell, then cut the fine pieces, make it cut.
Set. People, you can see how Danya. Look. Boy. Yeah, man. 20 minutes. It's been a long day, man. Like that meeting in Suva. It was good, but it took up a lot of time, because I only thought I had to attend one meeting, and then they told me if I would like to attend the other, and I was like, sure. And after that I took the bus down to Navua and then taxi here to where I stay right now, Vakambalea. So yeah, man, I thought I could vlog it, but when I came into the bus, I just fell asleep. So can be another time. People, it's ready now. The cooker said, look. Oh boy, look at the lemon. Okay, that's good, eh?
Yeah.
Not even 20 minutes. Man, the fire here is something else.
Because firewood, when the firewood really hot.
Yeah.
And this wood is like what's called forgot the wood. This wood. Alright, have to pour the water away.
Look at it again, people. How big it is. Oh, the smoke. Not the smoke, but the steam.
What's called to peel the thing,
Oh, yeah, okay.
Peel the seeds away. Peel the flesh, then make it curry.
Curry! Curry toa. Okay, people. Curry kai. It's gonna be very interesting. The curry kai. And here I was drinking tea, and all of a sudden my uncle said, it's boots, it's boots. I thought 20 minutes, but not even 20 minutes. Sorry, people, man. I've been out and about since the morning. Now I just finally can come and settle. You see how. Last time I ate this was with Bele, and then tasted really good. Then I went in the room, lie down a little bit, and then whoop! I was like, something is wrong. I want to vomit. Then I stood up and I was vomiting in the toilet. And then my uncle said, "Oh, it's not the guys, it's the cold from the river. You know, we've been swimming almost every day last week, so it got to me. So this time, let's hope that if I do throw up, then it must be the kai. Well, I don't know, but it won't stop me from trying it again. I don't know. I say that. Look at the size of the meat, but it's so big, man. Look. And this is your favorite dish with kai, Uncle?
Yeah, my favorite is curry.
Curry with kai.
Kai. Boil not so much.
Boil not so much.
Not so much. Curry, yes, I like curry. Dry curry.
So after this, what are you gonna do? You're gonna cut it up to small pieces, or?
Yeah, cut it out to small pieces. Then cut the onion, the garlic.
Oi. Look like still a lot left there. Yeah, man. And when I came home, then my uncle here said, Uncle Bill, Father Bill, he also went out and threw up in the toilet. Cold, eh? And then the whole river is really, really cold. Like, if you're not active, then the cold gets to you fast. And when you're active, then the cold slowly creeps in. Like you can't escape the cold.
Yeah.
And when you're out with a guy like Uncle Bill, you can stay there from morning till afternoon, evening. And when I went with him the other day, then I was like, okay, I've had enough. Then I went up. He was still swimming around because I was so cold.
I know.
Boy.
Supplement my knife. It's like this one they use in the butcher.
Oi, oi, oi. Okay, people. Now it's time to cut it. Ooh, very sharp, man.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Pieces, yeah.
Hey. Yes, people, some of you guys have noticed that the cougar is also left-handed like me. This is a left-hand squad.
Left-hand squad.
You know, my mom, when I was small, I went to school. I wrote with my left, you know, when handwriting. And she thought it was so ugly, she forced me to write with my right. So even though I'm left-handed, I write with my right hand. Isn't that...
It's cool.
That's so weird, eh? If I have to write something with the left, it's so awkward. And then my handwriting became real nice. Then I came to Denmark. Then they'd be like, we don't care about how your handwriting is. And then it became ugly again. Especially when we got introduced to laptops and stuff like that at school, you know. So I never really learned, or we stopped using our hand to write with. So, and people like laugh at me when I write my signature here in Fiji, because it's not that pretty. You know. And every time I see the signatures here in Fiji, they like, for me it's like next level. Wow. One time at the bank, then I wrote my signature, and then the lady asked, "Is this? Are you for real? Is this your signature?" I said yes. Oh, okay. Like, yeah, I have a really ugly signature, but it's one of a kind, you know. So that's the most important.
As long as the signatures in there.
Yeah, yeah. See that. Okay, people, so we were just like talking before that, let me see if I can take you. The Indians, the Indo-Fijians, wait. The Indo-Fijians, look, this one. They clean away that thing there. The intestine. Or maybe it's intestine. Poo. Stomach. Anyways, my wife said, and my uncle here, that is something the Indo-Fijians do. The Fijians, they be like, nah, fuck it, just cut it up.
As long as the thing cooks.
Yeah, as long as the thing cooks, then it's fine. So that's the difference between how the Fijians cook it and how the Indo-Fijians cook it. So maybe one day My wife can show me how they cook it. Ada?
One day on airplane, Indo-Fijian came to Sisi.
Oi.
Was in the Levis.
Yeah.
And my wife cut the thing in pieces, then wash it, then put it in the plastic. They took it to New Zealand.
Oi, the friend.
They go to Russia.
Yeah.
China, no.
Raja. Oh, Maureen.
More.
Yeah.
Two plastic. Wow.
Yeah.
The Indo-Fijian, they like this kai.
Oh, they like the kai.
Yeah, the kai. Cut in pieces and curry there.
Oi. What else can you cook besides curry, boil? Oi, that thing, as they say, chop suey, you can chop.
Can make chop suey.
Chop suey. And can you suru it? No. No.
You suru again.
Oi. Yeah. But people today will cook it the Fijian way because we are Fijians.
No way.
Maybe next week we'll be Indo-Fijians when we cook it the Indo-Fijian way. Okay, people, almost finished. Look, when you cut it up, look, it's a lot, man. No wonder people like they use this instead of chicken at functions and stuff like that. You know, the meat is really a lot. When you cut it up, small pieces, it's still like big chunks. You know. Time for some garlic now, people. One of the ingredients that's gonna go in the kai. People, now it's time to cut it up to smaller pieces. Garlics.
Sorry, got no, like overseas they got those tools to do squeeze that thing.
Yeah, this is a Fijian tools like this.
Yeah. Stay in the bush, eh?
Onion. Up to you, Uncle. You the chef, eh? That's what I tell my cousin when they cook. You the chef, you decide.
One chili go with it, eh?
Two chili.
Two chili.
Because the weather cold, eh? To keep you warm, eh?
Yeah, you're right.
We'll make it 3 chili.
Oh, Billy, very good for Billy. I'm not gonna be set. No more vomiting.
I think this is a bongo chili. No,
No,
different kind.
Bongo one. The bongo like small like this.
Oh yeah, this one different.
Yeah.
Yeah. Garlic, onion, chili. Ooh. Boy, you're gonna smell the chili from here. Very fresh, very strong smell. Very spicy. Now the chili, onion, and garlic.
What you call spices was the Indian use, eh?
Oil.
All mixed here.
Oil.
Just a little bit of
Boy.
Zira Megi or what they call it. Then goes the curry.
Yes.
A bit curry. Curry.
Curry.
And a bit masala.
Masala. Ooh, people. You can already smell the flavors.
And the salt.
Salt.
Oh, whoa! Very, very hot.
That's the flavor.
Yo. Very hot, Sarah.
Hey, 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 hey.
Really? Let the onion cook a little bit. And,
Woo! Oi, hey. You can really feel it.
the hot Sarah, the chili.
Hey, man. It's gonna be good. Clean the system.
Too chilly, I think very hot again.
Okay, now.
Please over the curry to mix properly. The curry.
Boy, people, the chili is really. It's really, really strong, man. Jesus Christus. Some more curry. People, now it's beginning to look like curry, man. Good color. I'm just gonna let it be for a bit. So people, update a little bit more. People, it's good now. Look. Oh, looks really good, man. People, it's time now to taste. We've been a bit lazy, so we've just been lying in each of our own room, and then now we decided now it's time to taste. You can see here the kai. Okay, let's see here. Let's taste. It's spicy. It has the curry flavor.
Take it. Do you take care? Since I take it and drink it, do you take care?
I would say it definitely has more taste than the boiled ones. We'll see how the other two. Taking their fair share. It's spicy, but it's nice.
Oh boy.
Spongy. I would say I prefer this rather than the boiled one.
The curry.
Taste wise, you know. But boo.
Nice, nice, the curry. The devil they're eating there.
Kuka! Hey, Kuka, say something, man.
Yeah, they say the
Oh,
devil.
everybody has to say something, you know.
The one who dive the guy is sitting down there.
No. Not like the Kuka. You know, Kuka is different.
Taste man. Oh, nice.
Chill good.
You say they put too chili.
No. I understand why the cooker prefer curry. It just give the more taste, man.
I can feel the chili now.
Oh boy, very strong. Eh? Very spicy. The chili is getting to the cooker.
I think hot sana, everything going down. Hot sana.
It ain't hot, man. It's like I put some more chili inside. Some more chili. Some more chili can feel hot. Then good.
Wow.
Just like the Mandrashi. Mandrashi people, when they cook the curry, 1 spoon, your tongue come out. There's a chili put inside.
People, I was out eating at the Indian restaurant this weekend with my wife, and then they asked us what level of spiciness we wanted, and I thought like I could handle spicy. I couldn't. I was struggling, you know, my nose was running. Yeah, really good, eh?
As long as it don't not taste nice.
Tastes really good, man.